Good morning, students. Today I will discuss chapter 4 of class 6 word 2011 mail merge. From the today we are going to discuss the further chapter. In chapter 3 we have discussed the basic part of word 2010, the features, and one of the feature which is called mail merge we will discuss in this chapter. This is one of the shortest chapter, only 2 and 3 page. So we will learn how to use mail merge and what is the benefits of mail merge. So mail merge is a useful tool in a word processor that allows you to produce multiple letters, labels, envelopes, name tag and many more easily using information stored in a list, database or a spreadsheet. The mail merge task pen guides through the 6 main steps to complete the merge. Means there's a 6 steps to complete the mail merge. From the example we will understand that what is the benefits of mail merge. In business as well as office matters, it is often required to send letter with the similar information to different people. The information will be the same, like we are inviting anyone or we are giving a notice to our company employee, then the main content will be the same, but the name, address, mobile number and many more information will be the different. So the letters require the name and the address of the receptionist to the printed on the top. So changing the address each time would be a very long process and wastage of time and effort. Mail merge is the feature of Microsoft Word is used to combine a data source which contain address of all the recipients with the main document. It saves our time and energy to send the letter at multiple addresses. If hundred of people I am sending an invitation card, then again and again I have to write that the main content and with thus different address and name. So mail merge is the facility to write the main content in a one time, and by using the mail merge I can print the different addresses and name. So here we will check how to use mail merge. The steps we will discuss to use the mail merge. So first you have to go to the select create the information or data that you want to, like 1 minute, just a minute. Like I want to invite someone in a birthday. I have created one template already, just want to paste here so I can invite my friends. So this is my template I have created. You can create as you want. Now I want to send this invitation card to 50% with the different name and different addresses. So how I will use mail merge to print all the names and addresses. Go to the mailing, click on the start mail merge. The drop down menu will come. Then after click on the last one, step by step mail merge wizard. First mailing, then start mail merge, then next is step by step mail merge. It is the third step. Then here the option will come in the right side: letter, email message, envelopes, labels. Now in which form you want. I want in a letter form. If you want as an envelope, then click in the envelope and later. Then next, starting document. Click on the starting document. Use the current document. Yes, I want to use this one, so current document. If you want to select from the existing document which you have already created, then click on the existing document. Next, select receptionist names. Now use an existing list, type a new list. Now here I will select the type a new list because I have to teach how to create. So after clicking the type a new list, click on the create. Now this box will come. Here you can define title, first name, last name, company name, address. If you want to add anything like customize column like first name, last name, company name, address, city, state, zip code, country or religion, home phone. You can add anything. If you want to delete, then delete. If you want to rename, then you can rename it also. So title, if you want to remain, then rename it. So like this you can add extra column or you can delete extra column. So here I want only first name, last name and address. So just fill it. Like first name is Riya Kumari, company name. Now because I am inviting for birthdays, this address I am giving. Next, new entry, Chia. One more I am just adding. Now after giving now the name, the person, you have to add as many as person you want to invite and click OK. After that you have to save. And press the save button. Now you can edit also. If by mistake you have given, just click on the checkbox, it will hide. And if you want all these three options, then click on all the option. And if you want to sort in ascending and descending order, you can use all these things. This is the option to sort, to filter your data. Click OK. After clicking OK, just again go to the next, write your letter. Click on address book. When you will click, this option will come, that how you want to display your address or your name. Click OK. So now here is, you can see that address block is came. Now click on the preview result, Riya Kumari Ramgarh. Then again the address block for the next one, Jia Sinha. For the next, Aman Kumar. And if you want to 3 we have given, then click OK. Now what we have to do, just click on the preview letters. When you will check, now complete the merge and print option. Click on the print option, which how many pages you want. So I want all 3 pages with the all 3 person name. OK. Then here is the printing menu. If you want to, how you want your hard copy, you can select Microsoft Document Write V4. If you want in a 1 page, 2 page, 3 page, you can change it and click OK. Because we don't have a printer, that's why the save option came. Now just save with any name which you will remember. Like I am saving like JI and save it. Where we have saved this PC document. First this PC, then documents. Save it. Now we will check that how our document came. This PC document and with the JI name. So here is the JI name. So first Riya Kumari Ramgarh, then second page Jia Sinha Ranchi, and then third one Aman Kumar Ramgarh. So this is the process to use mail merge. Hope it is clear. Now what you have to do, You have to check the steps which is given in your book and watch the video carefully and practice in your home. 1 and 2 times when you will practice, you can easily add as many as address, phone number and any other detail you want to add. Use the mail merge, and later in the next class we will discuss the question answer of this chapter. Thank you. Have a good day.